Greetings, alchemists. My name is Cryptonite, and in this guide I will show you how to use Sunpump.meme. Join Crypto Alchemy on Telegram for more. Sunpump.meme is a platform where developers can launch their own tokens on the Tronchain. Here we use Tron tokens to trade. We simply buy a token, and when the token have reached a market cap of around 70,000 US dollars, and it migrates to Sunswap, similar as to Pump.fun. To create your own token, simply press Launch in the top menu and fill in the descriptions and add an image. Set an amount to be the first buyer of the token. Connect your wallet in the top right-hand corner to start trading. If you don't have the TronLink wallet, simply download it and fill it with Tron tokens. To get Tron tokens, simply bridge to Tron. You find links to sites where to bridge in the Crypto Alchemy group or just buy from an exchange. Here we see tokens that have been created. Press any category in the top menu to find tokens. Trading volume is a good indicator because if people buy the token, it can go up in price. To find a token that you know of, simply search for it in the search bar. And to see tokens that have migrated to Sunswap, click this icon. Let's check out a token. Simply click on one. Here we see the name and the contract address. And into the top right-hand corner, we see the social links. Click them and check them out to make sure the team is active. Here we see that the token already have migrated to Sunswap. We can also see the market cap and the trading volume. To buy the token, simply click the Buy button and enter the amount. To sell, click the Sell button and enter the amount. Here we see the holders of the token. We can see how much the creator of the token holds. If the creator owns 0%, it can indicate that the team is not active. Ideally, no one should hold more than a few percentage, and the top 10 holders should be under around 20 to 30%. We can also see the transactions that have been made. Alchemists, now I know how to navigate Sunpump.meme. See you soon again, /Cryptonite.